Hi everyone, here let's consider this question. We have root of 2x plus 10 are equal to x plus 2. Now the question is, how are we going to solve this? Okay, now let's get the solution. Now, our next step is we are looking for the way of removing this square root. So how are we going to remove the square root? Okay, let us first rewrite the question. Here we have 2x plus 10 are equal to x plus 2. Now, how are we going to remove this square? Okay, now we can remove this square by applying or by squaring both sides. We can square both sides for us to remove a square root, such that this root and this will go. Now, on this side, we are going to live with a 2x plus 10. Then on the other side, it is going to be, it is now into bracket x plus 2, cross bracket is square. It is going to be like x plus 2 into x plus 2. I think it is the same, right? Okay, now we're going to have 2x plus 10 are equal to, what is our x times x? Is going to be x squared. How about here plus? How about x times 2 is going to be 2x. How about 2 times x is going to be plus 2x. How about 2 times 2 is going to be plus 4. Okay? What next is here? What next is we have to take this, the whole of this. Let's first add this. Let us first add on this. Now here we're having 2x plus 10 are equal to x squared. 2x plus 2x, we are going to have plus 4. We're going to have plus 4x. 4x, then plus this 4 here. Okay, now our next step is we have to shift this on the other side. All right, so how are we going to do it? Like now here we're having minus 2x. On the other side it is going to be here it is positive 2x. On the other side it is going to be minus 2x. Again, we're having positive 10 here plus 10. On the other side it is going to be minus 10. All right, so let's correct the like terms. Here we are going to have 0. This side will remain 0. Now it is going to be 0 equal to 0 equal to, here we're having x squared plus 4x minus, because 2x, if it shift that side, it will be minus 2x. All right, it will be minus 2x. Okay, now how about 2x? Then here we're having plus 4. Plus 4 plus 4. Here we have 10. If it crosses that side, it will be minus 10. Here it is going to be minus 10. Okay, so what next is we are going to add. Here we're having 0 equal to, let us subtract this and also subtract this. Now we are going to have x squared plus, let's subtract this, 4x minus 2x, it is going to be 2x plus 2x. Out but 4 minus 10, it is going to be minus 6. Minus 6. Ladies and gentlemen, I think now it is quadratic equation. We can solve it by using a quadratic methods, one of quadratic methods. We can solve it by using either quadratic formula, or we can solve it by using a complete square method, or we can solve it by using a factorization method. All right, now let us solve it. I used a quadratic formula, which say x are equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac out of 2a. All right, so now let us have our a are equal to, our A is 1, positive 1. How about our B? Our B here is 2. How about our C? Our C is minus 6. Minus 6. Alright, now let us substitute this into our formula here. It is going to be x are equal to minus B is 1. No, sorry. B is 2 here. Our B is given us 2. Plus or minus a root of. Here we are going to have, how about B inside is the same thing. It is given us 2. It is going to be 2 squared minus 4. How about our A? Our A is given us 1. It is going to be 1 in 2. How about our C? Our C is given us minus 6. Here it is going to be minus 6 out of 2 times A. What is our A? Well, our A is 1. It is going to be 2 times 1. Are you guys following? Alright. So here we are going to have x are equal to minus 2 plus or minus root of, here we're going to have 2 squared is going to be 4. It is going to be 4 minus, here we have 4 times 1 times minus 6. What is the answer? We're going to have positive 24, right? Here it is going to be positive 24 out of 2 times 1, we're going to have 2. Alright, now our x are equal to minus 2 plus or minus, here let us have this, 4 plus 2, 4 plus 24 is going to be 28 out of 2. Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, we are looking for two value, x value and like we are looking for x1 value and x2 value. Okay, now let's look for x1 value. X1 value here we are going to have, let us, I think it will not fit here. We can do it here, we can do it here. Let's put it here. Let's put it here. Okay. Alright, now our x1 is going to be minus 2 plus, it's going to be minus 2 plus root of 28 out of 2. Now what is our x1? Our x1 is going to be 1.645. This is going to be our x1. Okay, now how about our x2? Our x2 is going to be minus 2 minus root 28 out of 2, minus 2 minus root 28 out of 2. Okay, x are equal to, what is the answer for our x2? Our x2 is going to be minus 3.645. Alright, this is going to be our final answer. Alright guys, if you found this video interesting, you can show it in the comment section.